I worked as a barista at coffee shops all through college, both big names, coffee houses, and locally owned. So I really appreciate a good hot cup of coffee. And yeah, I love coffee, but not all coffee makers or coffee. It does have to fit my requirements. And since I do host events, the coffee must be hot and full-bodied. The craft needs to keep the coffee hot without burning it and changing the taste from bold and complex to bitter and unpleasant. And the Bunn Cwtf twin APS twin air pots and thermocarafes and coffee brewer is fantastic. It meets all my specifications. It brews 15 gallons and keeps it hot, so it's great for my large events, or it could work for busy diners as well. The Brewer delivers a multi-layered flavor profile that everyone I've talked to loves, and it's a great performer and will have a long life. It's great reviews too. I'm not the only one who recommends it. It's definitely worth the price point, which really isn't that much for the quality of this product.